Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. I am just about to finish up my makeup for the day and I thought it would be a perfect time to test out this product that was sent to me for review. If you followed my videos at all, you will know I normally don't wear a cat eye very much because I am cat eye challenged. Never did a cat eye when I was younger, never kind of developed the technique for doing a cat eye, so I'm kind of always a little bit hesitant to do it because I know a lot of times it's going to ruin my makeup because I'm going to do it wrong. This product is supposed to make my life so much better, so much easier when it comes to doing a winged liner. It is from the company Miss Pink. It's called Cat Liner 2-in-1. I think that's the exact name. I will put it right down here. It's supposed to be super easy. So let me take a look. On one side, you have this very nice black liner. Then the other side is the stamp. The stamp is sort of in the shape of a triangle, sort of like that. So you can see that's how the wing is supposed to go. I'm supposed to be able to do my wing in 30 seconds or less, and this is supposed to help you whether you're a beginner or whether you're already a talented makeup artist, but I am definitely a beginner, or not really a beginner. I've tried doing a wing liner in the past, and I've always messed up. Nothing ever seems to be easy for me, so we are going to try this and test this out today. So like I said, it's a dual-ended liner. It is very black. It's supposed to be smudge proof, highly pigmented, and it should not smear or fade. This is the first time I am testing this out, so we're gonna kind of do this process together. It may take several tries to really get the hang of it. Let's try. I'm gonna first take the stamp side, and I think I'm kind of supposed to line it up. Now remember guys, I have like wrinkles around my eyes, so this is gonna be a very good test of this liner because it's gonna have to go over my wrinkles. I'm going to try to zoom you in. Okay, that was kind of okay, but let me try to go over it again. Let's try the other side. Okay, that is a little bit better. Let me try to go over it now with the liner side. Let me try this again. Okay, now I'm gonna actually try to go over it with clean skin. For some reason, the nude stick eye makeup I had on was kind of a stumbling block for it a little bit. So let's try it again. I'm gonna take the stamp side. Okay, that was much, much better. And then let me try the other side. So now I'm going to take the liner side and just kind of fill the rest of it in. Okay, better, but not perfect. Better than I can do. So let me just curl my eyelashes. I'm going to put on some mascara. That is what it looks like. Obviously, wrinkles kind of do give it a little bit of a stumbling block. The other thing that seems to give it a little bit of a stumbling block is makeup. The nude stick I was wearing seemed a little bit sticky and it seemed to interfere with the cat eye, but normally if I ever do attempt to put a cat eye on, I already have my eye makeup on. So it's kind of hard to do the cat eye first and then put your eye makeup on after the fact. Let me try the other eye again. That's what it looks like. I have this one kind of eye wrinkle that seems to be bothering the stamp a little bit. So I'm going to have to fill this in. Let me try again. Okay, I've tried it with my eyes closed. So now I'm going to try it with my eye open and see if that makes any difference. That doesn't work that way. That's what I get. Now let me try it with my eye closed. Now I'm not getting anything to come out this end. Okay, this did not work for me. I'm trying very hard, but maybe someone that's better at putting cat eyes on than I am will be able to work with this. I am not able to work with this. This is really difficult for me to use. I know they say it's for a beginner, but I am a beginner, so I should be able to pick this up and use it right away and have no problem, but I'm having a lot of problems with this. I am sorry, but for me, this is kind of a fail. I know I've seen a lot of younger girls use this. They've had no problem with it. It's worked out really well. Don't judge this by my impressions only. For my mature eyes, I'm having a really hard time with this. And I have now completely, totally taken off all my eye makeup. You should be able to use this with eye makeup already put on. You shouldn't have to have clean skin. And for me, it wasn't working with my eye makeup. Let me tell you some of the stats on this anyway, in case you're interested and want to look it up. This is supposed to have easy application, not for me. It's supposed to have ultimate precision. You know, it is precise when you lay it down, I get that, but the stamp was not leaving a complete stamp on my eye. I don't know if it's because my wrinkles or my eye folds or what, but they were interfering with the stamp. Intense pigmentation it did have. It's vegan and cruelty-free, which is great. It's waterproof, which is great. Long-lasting, instant drying, and smudge resistant. It says to line the bottom of the stamp with the outer corner of your upper lash line. I'll try it one more time. Stamp with the upper corner of your lash line. Let's try it this way. I'm still getting just like a smudge of black. Let's try this side. You know, it's very frustrating because I have seen younger girls put this on and they do it so easily. I am trying to give it the benefit of the doubt. One more time. One more. Last try. Line this up with my upper lash line. Nothing. Now there's nothing coming out of this pen already. Come on. I'm not getting anything out of this pen now. Now it's as if it's all dried up. I don't understand this. For me, unfortunately, this Miss Pink 2-in-1 cat eyeliner, you know, for me, did not work. I mean, I tried. I'm a beginner, so I should be able to just stamp this on my eye. Should not dry up like this quickly. The other side of the liner, let's take a look. The other side of the liner is nice and thick. The other side of the liner, the felt tip pen, is very pigmented, but I don't have a lot of control with this. It's a little too thick for me, for my liking. I prefer a very fine liner so it doesn't look this thick and I can kind of gently put it on and be very precise. Bye-bye from Marla.